In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Google Calendar. 5 minutes. By the end, your Calendly will automatically check your Google Calendar for conflicts and add new bookings for you so you can stop juggling availability manually. All you need is a Calendly account and a Google account you want to connect. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually in the top right. Click that, then enter the email address you use for your Calendly account and hit continue. On the next screen, type in your password and continue. After you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home dashboard where you typically see your event types. From here, navigate to integrations and apps. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the navigation menu or settings area. This is where Calendly connects to other tools. Scroll until you see Google Calendar and select it. On the Google Calendar page, click Connect to start the secure connection process. A Google window will appear asking you to choose the account you want to connect. Pick the Google account that holds the calendar you rely on for your day-to-day schedule. If you use multiple Google accounts, it's worth pausing for a second to confirm you're choosing the one that should control availability and receive new bookings. Once selected, Google will show you what Calendly is requesting permission to do, such as viewing and managing calendars needed to check your availability and add events. Click. Continue to grant access. You'll be redirected back to Calendly, and you should see a confirmation that your Calendly is now connected to your Google Calendar. That's the core setup done. From this point, Calendly can automatically read your free and busy times and add new meetings to the calendar you connected, which keeps everything in sync. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. If you have a work Google account with admin restrictions, you may need your organization's approval for third-party connections. If you use multiple calendars, be mindful which account you connected so bookings don't end up in the wrong place. Also, keeping your time zone correct in both Google Calendar and Calendly helps prevent scheduling surprises for you and your invitees. That's it. Simple and fast. You've connected Calendly to Google Calendar and your scheduling just got a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.